Time is roughly 2 o'clock in the morning, and I have an early morning flight to Bangalore from Hyderabad. I'm very sleepy, but I have to go. Thank you, Bhaiya. Happy journey. Fuck man, the system is not working.
Only one location?
Yeah, only one.
Make sure there is a power bank.
Nothing. Look at the people waiting here. Sometimes I feel that these people come here only to eat food and sleep. Nothing more than that. I've taken some fruits and some bacon. I'll eat something else also after this, maybe some coffee or something. So I have flight in another 25 minutes time. Boarding is gonna start, but I'm sitting in the lounge for some time. The thing is, I didn't sleep the whole night. By the way, I'm flying back to Bangalore from Hyderabad, and tomorrow I have flight back to Dubai from Bangalore again. And by the way, how are the shades? I really think it suited me, but I have no clue how does it look. Actually, I was one of the last passengers, and this flight looks so empty already. Quite late. The thing is, almost the whole plane is empty. Hardly 15 passengers. There's another Vistara which is next to this plane. And by the way, this is Airbus 320, which is most of the planes in India are Airbus 320s. If you see Indigo 6Es, most of the Indigo 6Es are, not most of them, like each one of them are Airbus 320s.
Thank you.
The tray table is big enough to put something in it. Let's have some food. Let's open this. This is the thing which they have given, and I think it's a sandwich, a cookie, water bottle. Yeah. These Vistara magazines generally have interesting stories. Nationwide Thailand. What does they have here? They have something written Delhi NCR India, and Alice Springs Australia, California USA. Some stories, man, you can read all of those things. Something about Villa Maya. Read about this. I think this is the direct architecture thing which is written over there. You can read, take a screenshot of it and read something about it. They have the fleets 320, 321, 737 Boeing and 787-9. Again, which is Boeing. Enable airplane mode, switch on Wi-Fi, and I can connect to the Wi-Fi. But settings, turn on the airplane's already off. That doesn't work anyways. Go to Vistara Worlds, clicking on that. Yeah, this is what we have in the media panel. Tom and Jerry. Let's watch some of this for some time at least. These are the specs that I got from MacMe and Cinnamon. These are polarized, so if you see through it, you will find the rainbow colors. And if it doesn't, it doesn't come. Yeah, it's as simple as that. By the way, we have landed in the new terminal number 2 of Bengaluru International Airport, which is Kempegowda International Airport, by the way. So we have landed in the new terminal, the new international terminal number 2 in Bangalore Airport. I have a little less time, but I'll try to show you around the terminal. I'll try to cover it up to the maximum possible because I have to rush. Time is already around 7:30 and I have a meeting scheduled at 10 o'clock. Yeah. Man, you have to walk a lot from the arrival gate till the actual gate. You have to walk a lot. I've already taken that escalator and that's number 5 and there are 2 more to go. Look at this. These are the 3 airlines which land in the terminal and most of the terminal is not built completely. I could see a lot of work pending in the ground floor. I don't know when they're gonna finish that, but hopefully if they could finish it very soon, it'll be really good. And way too many escalators. You need to walk a lot. See how fast is this? Now it has picked up the speed. It has picked up the speed. Made of bamboo. I think it's completely made of bamboo. Yeah. Apparently they have shuttle service from terminal 2 to terminal 1, which is good because the thing is, the new terminal you don't find Ola, Uber or any other cabs. You know, to go all the way to the first terminal and find a car for you. I'll show you one interesting painting or an art, I would say. Have a look at this. Closely observe. This one also. plantation everywhere, and it's good to see plants everywhere because color of greens, it has some kind of neurological existence and neurological benefits on human brains. So yeah, that's good. It's good to see greens after a crazy flight. Yeah. Reached home after flight international in a couple of hours.